You want to turn your viewers into loyal subscribers? The secret lies in the last 20 seconds of your videos. Now just stick around as I show you how to create a stunning end screen that keeps them clicking and coming back for more, which eventually will now keep your viewers engaged and boost your views. Let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is to sign into YouTube Studio. So just go to your Chrome and then type studio.youtube.com and just click enter. So it will bring you to this dashboard. We are not using the app, don't forget we are using the website. So when you do that, then you will need to, the second thing it will be to select content. So this is your content here. Just click on this one that shows like a video sign, click on it, and then it will take you to the videos that are on your channel. And this one here, I have just 2 videos. Is I think I use this channel for weight loss things, and when I was doing ClickBank affiliate marketing, you can see the date is 2020. The product is from ClickBank, so I just created, just picked the videos and I use it here. So at this point here, we will need to choose the video we want. So let me pick this, how to start a keto diet. Let me pick that. So how do you choose the video? You click on the pencil icon or on the title. So here, let me just click the title, and then it will take me to the editing interface where I want to edit the video. Now when you get to this place, the first thing to do is to look for the end screen, and you can get that end screen at this other side of your phone. You can see it here, end screen. We have subtitles, we have end screen and cards. So the fourth thing is to now tap on that end screen tab on the right side here. So when we click on the end screen, you can see this is the video that has been selected. Now let's come towards this other side. You can see. Now we can pick any of this format. The first one is just a video. The second one at the top is just a video and a subscribe. The third one is a playlist and a subscribe, and then the fourth one is 2 videos. So anyone you feel like choosing, you can pick. You can see this plus element here. You can also click on that to show which one exactly you want. Maybe it's a video, maybe it's a playlist, maybe it's a subscribe, or maybe it's a channel, or just a link. So you can pick anyone there. Since it's video we are choosing. Now when we choose a video, you have this option. One, you can pick most recent upload, the one you just uploaded to be the one that will show, or best for viewers. It is YouTube that will determine this one. If you pick it on the third one, choose specific video, you will be the one that will determine what exactly you want, the video you want to show. So let's just click this choose specific video, and then the video, don't forget there are just 2 videos for this tutorial. So I'll pick this intermittent fasting. Now when you do that and then you scroll, you will discover that you can see it here is already showing at this part of the video. So we can decide to change the location. You can decide to change the location to this point, and then the next thing will now be to adjust the timing of the video to where you want the end screen to show. So you will need to shift this one now. Shifting now, you can see it. We will need to shift it to the part that we want it to show. Now immediately you are through with that, you can now preview. Let's preview it and see. You click on the plus
and get
button.
started today.
Okay, you see, and get started today. So that means the timing is wrong. So we just need to shift it a bit again. So let's preview again.
Custom keto diet plan and get started today.
Okay, it's still a bit better. We can still shift it more.
Click the link below to get your very own custom keto diet plan and get started today.
All right, this one is better. So immediately you are through with this one, everything flows smoothly. Then you click on this button. Can you see? Save. Can you see save at this part here? Just click on save and everything is done. Can you see now? So what you will need to do now is to exit, and let's go and check it on the back end of the YouTube channel and see what we get. If you are editing a new video, don't forget you need to publish it. If it is an existing video, your update will be saved automatically, and that's it for your end screen. Your end screen is all set up and ready to help you grab those viewers' attention. Now this is the video playing, so let's watch what will happen to the end of the video. Let's watch. Can you see now? The end screen has come. So if anybody clicks on this end screen, it will take them to that second video, and that's how it is done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.